What is the number one best tool for diagnosing vehicles, helping with car repair? Yeah, you're probably right. It's a scan tool. What's number two? It's going to be a little something we like to call a power probe. Check out this one. This one will not break the bank. It may be the most affordable power probe out there right now. Situation number one, we have a window that will not roll up. It'll roll down. We got a bad switch. How do we temporarily get the window up? Pop one end onto the terminal of the window motor. Now we're going to touch this to the other terminal. I know I now have contact because it lit up. Now I'm going to give it power and our window is going to go up. No more rain inside the car. Very handy. Here's just another example. Example 2. We have a VVT, variable valve timing solenoid right here. And we want to, say we got some timing codes. We want to know which one of these is power and negative for the wiring harness. We're not going to click our button at all. Right there, it lights up green. That means it's negative. Put it on the other terminal. Lights up positive. So without applying power or anything, we're going to find out what's our positive and what's our negative. Another thing, we can actually actuate this solenoid by clipping onto one of the terminals and listen for the click to see if our solenoid is working. This little rubber piece is keeping me from getting a good grip. It's been a long day, my hands are shaky. We can clip onto one terminal and then we can apply power to the other terminal and we'll hear that solenoid click on and off, on and off. So if you suspect it's a bad solenoid, then you can actually actuate it. Boom, 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 boom. And that's just another way it helps with diagnosing problems. Super handy tool. Besides the automotive scanner, if you're doing work on sensors, electrical, anything like that around the shop, it's probably your second best friend right here. Go get you one. Remember kids, don't use one of these at home if you don't know what you're doing. You don't want to backfeed a computer and blow your computer up. Besides being so affordable, look at all this cord it gives you. You can reach front to back on any regular vehicle. And this is how it works. Just hook it up to your positive and your negative. It's powered. And enough length to go all the way from the battery to the tail lights. Perfect.